I could use a wrench, but kind of in a hurry. I only have so much light left, and I got a lot of work to do on this. Terminals are still good, so battery is not even locked down. What do you know? Clean the posts. Arranging the stuff. Okay. Clean the terminal. Now we're going to put this back in here. Oh, it's a heavy battery. Battery back in. I have to get the right tools. Gotta have the lockdown work. This guy's lockdown wasn't on in here in the first place, so I'm going to make sure this battery stays put. Last thing he needs to do is go on a trip with his family and the battery comes out. Battery's tight. So, next step. The battery posts on. Draining while I'm working on the vehicle, so until I can get to the main computer of this thing, I'm going to leave it negative connected, but I'm going to disconnect the positive as soon as I can get it in the garage. And then that way it's safe. Make sure the negative's good. It is. Okay, so I'm going to start this up, move vehicles around, get in the garage, and we'll talk more when I get there.